Good afternoon. Today is Saturday, the 25th of April 2026. It is 17 degrees here in Canada. So it's springtime in Canada. And look at these beautiful birds. They're the Canada geese. So in autumn they fly away to warmer places and they come back in spring. These are such intelligent birds. They know how to protect themselves and they know when to fly away and when to get back. So I hope you are having a pleasant afternoon. I wish you a happy weekend. And I would also like to thank many of you who have become my subscribers. For the ones who watch my videos, thank you. And for the ones who appreciate and say they like my videos, thank you. And may God bless all of you. Thank you so much.